To set up screen recorder settings on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and click on additional settings. After that, we'll be able to find the screen recorder and see all of the settings for it. First thing is resolution. You can adjust the resolution for the recordings that you're gonna make, and this offers a full resolution or 1080 or 800 by 4480. There's also the video quality. You can change it between 50 Mbps megabytes per second to 1 megabyte per second. I would recommend to put it on 50 or even 100 if the thing that you want to record even supports it. Then there's the orientation. It will change the orientation of your screen recording. So you can put it on auto, which I wouldn't recommend, or you can put it on portrait or landscape. So usually if you're playing games, you will go for the landscape because most of the games you just play it on the landscape version on the side of your phone. Or if you want to record something simple, you can go for portrait, and that's exactly how it's gonna look like I'm currently recording this video. It will be frontal like I have it. Then there's the sound source. You can change the sound source for your recordings to none, which will not record any sound. You can go for microphone only, which will only record audio from your microphone, from your system, or from both. So you can choose whichever one you like depending on your task. Then there's the frame rate. You can go for up to 90 FPS. If depending on the options up here, you'll be able to check which one works the best. So I would just recommend to put it on 60. Then there's the lock screen to end the recording and save video when the screen is locked. You can disable this. Sometimes you accidentally will press on the lock button. That way your phone will lock and entire recording will be saved and stopped. Then there's these show touch gestures, so you can activate it, and that way on the recording you'll be able to see where you've pressed your finger. Then there's the show button taps, and this visualizes navigation button taps. So if you click on the back button, home button, or the menu button, it will visualize that you've pressed on them. And that is all of the screen recording settings. Now to actually start screen recording, I would just recommend to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Now if you usually record devices, something with your phone, then you can just bring this icon, this one right here for the screen recorder, somewhere close so you always have access to it, and then you just need to click on it and start recording like so. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.